So I always have the job description that I'm working on right next to the resumes that I review, because it's very easy to just fall in that trap of like, oh, this is not good, or it's not, enough, whatever. So that's kind of like a tip for recruiters. But in resumes, I normally look for, attention to detail is one of them. So for example, if I see any mistakes in the resume, I'm not very permissive with that. Especially if it's a role that requires good attention to detail. And then trying to figure out like how it aligns with the job description overall. So looking at what they've done in the past. And again, for me, it really counts, not necessarily like the title of your role. It really, I look more for like the impact that you had in that role. And if you can show me some progression as well, for example, if you've been promoted, in a certain amount of time, or if you landed a massive contract, or you helped, your, I don't know, senior director to land a massive contract, then, that says way more than just, just I've done this, but like without, substantiating the, like what you've done, without giving a bit of context and giving a bit of detail. Because I feel like if I don't see detail, then it's just like blank statements and I don't have any measurement for that. But if I see like some numbers, some number of months of money, of contracts, of clients that you've made happy, then that shows me your impact in the company. And that's more important to me than anything else.